All right,
let's see.
Okay, let's see what's coming up.
Here we go. It's coming up, folks.
I don't see anything yet.
There we go. There we
see
go.
anything? All right,
Eddie
double.
has one. There we go. Eddie got one. That's how it's done, kids.
That's how it's done. Emily, Ashley, do you see that? That's what you're eating right now. That's where it come from. Do you like it fried or you like it steamed?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a big one.
That's my old deck cam.
Thank you.
All right.
Get right back down.
Okay.
You ain't going anywhere.
All right. Okay. Starting second one.
Getting lucky. Wow, this is heavy.
It is.
Heavier than usual.
Ooh, let's see what's coming out of it.
It's not a tangle.
I'm not seeing anything yet.
Oh no, it might be a tangle.
Boy, it's heavy, huh? Whoa.
Here it comes.
Yeah, there's fish. Ooh, that's a pebble or?
Larry.
Wow.
You got a jellyfish or something.
Yeah, you got a jellyfish too.
Oh, it's trying to follow.
Oh, two of them. Double.
Double, kids.
Double.
Oh shit, somebody got it. Wait. Gotcha. Wait. Yeah. Let's wait a little bit. It's right here.
What is that?
Picture of everyone's bag.
Everyone's got the same size.
Everyone's got about 20 bags, 20 fish per bag. Everyone has a 10 fish per limit. Wow.
No. Hey, don't step on it.
Well done, Keo. Keo.
You count them?
Oh, give us time. There's anyone else in there?
You guys want to count them as we put them back in the bag?
Nice. Got some more here if you. What do you need? 50?
No, we got 30. There's 3 of us, so we
30. You got some more here.
Pull it up and you'll have to see if we can get a rig back from it.
Wow, look at all these fish. Nice. God, look at all these fish today, folks. A lot of fish. Okay, very good. Good fishing day.
Stick your hand right inside his gill.
Pulling up the crabs, folks. How deep is this? Nice.
Not again, not again.
See you catch some crabs.
On the way home.